Many people want to know, how do I increase my likes? How do I increase the amount of people that are commenting on my posts on Facebook? How do I get engagement inside of my Facebook group? I just want people to like and share my page. Well, this is great, but at the end of the day, are these things going to help you make money? If you're in business and you're somebody who is trying to use Facebook in order to make a profit, then the very first thing you gotta do is make sure that everything that you're doing leads to people buying from you, or whether they can buy from you. Likes, comments, shares, while they're nice, they're essentially vanity metrics. And in the grand scheme of things, they don't really account for a lot. So when's the last time that you made an offer? When's the last time that you actually cha-ching made a sale from one of your Facebook posts? I would recommend focusing on that, leveraging that, and then if you focus on helping the people and helping solve their problem, the likes, the comments, and the shares will take care of themselves.